The forest is a complex ecosystem consisting mainly of trees that buffer the earth and support a myriad of life forms. The trees help create a spatial environment which in turn affects the kinds of animals and plants that can exist in the forest. Trees are an important component of the environment. They clean the air, cool it on hot days, conserve heat at night, and act as excellent sound absorbers. Provides a protective canopy that lessens the impact of raindrops on the soils, thereby reducing soil erosions. The layer of the leaf that fall around the tree prevents runoff and allows the water to percolate into the soil. Roots help to hold the soil in place. Dead plants decompose to form humus, organic matter that holds the water and provides nutrient to the soil. Plants provide habitat to the different type of organism. Birds build their nests on the branches of trees. Animals and birds live in the hollows. Insects and other organisms live in various parts of the plants. They produce large quantities of oxygen and take it on carbon dioxide. Transpiration from the forest affects the relative humidity and precipitations in a place.
Importance of forest community is we depend on forests for our survival, from the air we breathe to the wood we use. Besides providing habitats for animals and livelihoods for humans, forests also offer watershed protection, prevent soil erosions, and mitigate climate change. Also, the next importance, forests provide us with shelter, livelihoods, water, food, and fuel security. All these directly or indirectly involve forests. Some are easy to figure out, such as fruits, pepper, woods from the tree, and so on. Also, forests, the important forest is habitat for biodiversity and livelihood for humans. Forests provide habitats to diverse animal species. They are home to 18% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity, and they also form the source of livelihood for many different human settlements, including 16 million indigenous people. The other important forest community is they provide ecosystem service that are critical to human welfare. These include they providing clean water for drinking, bathing, and other household needs. Also, they're protecting watershed and reducing or slowing the amount of erosion and chemical that reach waterways. They also providing food and medicine. The forest also serving as a buffer in natural disaster like flood and rainfalls. The forest providing habitat to more than half of the world's land-based species.
Malaysia had the worst high rate of forest loss between 2000 and 2012, amount to 14.4% of its year 2000 forest cover. The loss translates to 47,278 square kilometers, which is 18,244 square miles, an area larger than Denmark. Most of Malaysia's forest loss occurred in its densest forests, those with tree cover exceeding 50%, which generally store the most carbon and are richest with wildlife, including endangered orangutans and pygmy elephants.
Regarding community forest management: 1. Subsistence versus commercialization. 2. Governance, monitoring, and evaluation system. 3. Livelihood, equity, and gender issues. 4. Taxes and subsidy. 5. Dominance of elites and high castes. 6. Policy and legal framework. 7. Delivery of support services.
Figure 2A and 2B show the numerical evolution of community forests in terms of total number of community forests, total area, as well as community forests with final management agreement. A spike in number and area of community forestry between 2006 and 2011. The number of community forests with valid simple management plans have also been significantly reduced since 2010 because of a lack of start-up fund, knowledge, and institutional capacity.
Alright, example forest for community in Selangor is Urban Community Forest Bukit Persekutuan, or UCF. UCF was established to protect 74.4 hectares Bukit Persekutuan, which is the last remaining green lung in KL city centre. The UCF promotes the conservation of nature and heritage buildings found in these government lands. One of its mission was connection as a yard, like yard education and recreation in an urban forest. Next, UCF also opened volunteer for the Malaysian Nature Society UCF Nursery. There are many activities for volunteer if they join the society. Firstly, planting seedling of the nursery. Second, tree enrichment activities. Third, trail maintenance. And the last one is strengthening stream banks. Within this, our forest for community can be maintained and protected. It can also give benefit to the entire human population as well. Forests are the biggest oxygen contributor.
Final conclusion: forests and the products they provide are universally required for the continuation of human society as we know it. Forests and biodiversity are regarded as a gift of supernatural powers, and as a heritage treasure whose benefits are to be enjoyed continuously through generations. Thus, the agility of preserving it is carried out through the appreciation of a system of norms among members of society.